Quipall 10-gallon 2-horsepower ultra-quiet oil-free compressor is the perfect workmate for your shop or garage. The compressor runs ultra-quiet at only 68 decibels. You can carry on a conversation while you're working, making it one of the quietest compressors in its class on the market today. It's an easy keeper, too. The oil-free, maintenance-free pump is durable for the long run, and the 2-horsepower induction motor has a working life 3 times longer than a traditional compressor. The integrated handle and 7-inch solid wheels let you easily move the unit where you need it. Operation is simple, too. With universal quick couplers and easy-to-read gauges, you're working in no time. With an airflow of 5.6 CFM at 40 psi and 4.4 CFM at 90 psi, and maximum working pressure of 125 psi, this compressor is the perfect addition to your home shop for all of your projects: nailing, painting, auto care, inflation, and more. The Quipall 10-gallon 2-horsepower ultra-quiet oil-free compressor. Quality assured.